Today is College and Career Readiness at San Bernardino County Government Center, and the purpose of today is exposing our students to potential government jobs, but also let them know that there's plenty of career paths that they can take, and it's really a partnership between the County of San Bernardino and our neighboring school districts, which include San Bernardino City Unified, Colton Joint Unified, but also Rialto Unified School District.
I'm here to learn about better opportunities, what I am interested in, and how it can help me. I'm also beginning to go really in depth with new jobs, see what I might want to choose as my career pathway.
We are here learning about college paths and careers and stuff, seeing what our interests are and what we want to do later in the future, because we can get exposed to things early.
It gives great exposure to our students outside of the classroom for real complete job readiness. They get to see what the expectations for a job is. They get to be around employers and different people to really gain real life experience that can benefit them not only now but in the future.
We are able to bring students from all 4 of our high schools at Rialto Unified. The counselors and the counseling team, including the career techs, have worked hard to make sure these kids know what they can come in and talk about and what to expect here today, including getting answers to all their questions about college and career readiness from the largest county in California with over 25,000 funded positions.
I came here to San Bernardino County to come to the college and career fair to find more opportunities for myself. Now, I kind of know I have a basis for myself. I want to do nursing and explore that field. And as I mentioned here, the Arrowhead Regional Medical Center is here, so I'd be able to communicate with them, see opportunities I can go with them. And if not, I can search other opportunities here thanks to them and also explore the other career paths for myself.